Hey guys, a lot going on. Got the plow fitted out. He had previously welded these a little longer. And where it's split. Come on. Yeah. He welded inside here. So that's reinforcing it. And I don't know if it's focusing, but you can see where he welded reinforcements. And it's working. It's a lot tighter. So, yeah, she's coming a long way today. Yeah, this was a pulling tractor where the tranny came out of. Because you can, 3 high, it's a little noisy. But I'm not in 3 high too much, so. I think it's leaking out the input shaft, the weep. But it is what it is. My main thing was it moved and drove, so I can use the plow again. You don't know how much you missed it. But, oh yeah, Daniel, here's your hub. Here, Dan. Oops. They're in darn good shape too. You can see all the lugs, no strips or nothing, and I put the bolts back in. So, oh, ow! I'm wearing myself out today, though. Okay, so brought up the mule drive from the mower we never use to help with the reinforcements. Yeah, it's 70 degrees today. Of course, it's going to be cold. I guess they already put out winter storm warnings or watches for tomorrow. It's weird weather. But here's one of the gears all butchered up. And there's the other one I took off for that other fella. But yeah, see this one axle. One axle took a beating. Let's see. No, that's a good one. I don't know where the other one is. But that one got a chip in it. But anyway. Yeah. Looks different now. The tires sit out wider than they had it. Because I never messed with it. Now it's lined up with the outside. And for ancient tires, they don't have much dry crack, only in the tread. No. Yep. And usually that would be sacrilege, having a tool on the hood. But yeah, the pressure washer blew a lot of that. You can see where it's turning to rust. So, but she's gonna get a repaint. At least the white or the hood. Probably not even mess with the nose or the dash. I gotta see yet, guys. Seeing fresh paint, I might do some of the orange up here. I don't know. It's so hard when you. Oh yeah. Took off the guy's homemade foot peg. I think it might be easier on my back if I can keep my feet on the ground and just go over it like a motorcycle. But looks weird without them, don't it? Dad's working on cutting that other metal. That's why I took advantage to make a quick video. Yeah, see? See, I'd love to sand it and paint it right, though. I don't know. It's a debate. It's not original anymore because there's a lot of repaint on it. So the orange is, but not the white. But yeah, there's some homemade foot pegs the guy had. They worked, I mean. They got the job done. So, alright. Here's a little update from suburban land. She lives again, boys. Ready to get her done. Love this old bird.